In this tutorial, we'll explain how to create and use supplier cage code groups. First, let's explain what we mean by a supplier cage code group. A supplier cage code group is a collection of companies' cage codes whose products are of interest to you. Let's say you have found several companies that are willing to sell products to you. For example, we know that Grainger, McMaster-Carr, and Uline are companies that have products that DLA wants to buy, and we know these companies are willing to sell to anyone. Wouldn't it be nice if we could search for all three companies' products at one time? We can do that if we create a supplier cage code group for them. Let's see how to set up this group. On the Search DIBBS screen, we find the Setup button after the Supplier Cage Code Group drop-down. When we click on Setup, we open the Supplier Cage Code Group Setup page. To create a cage code group, we first click on the Add Group button. Then we enter the name of the group. In this case, we are going to call this group Easy Suppliers, which we enter here. Click Add to create the group. Then click on the name of the group. To add our cage codes, we click on the Edit, Add, or Delete button to open in third box to the right. Here we enter our cage codes. Rather than type individual codes, we'll paste them in from an existing list. You see that each entry has a 5-character code followed by a colon and then a company name. The name isn't essential, but it makes it easy to relate the cage code to a company. Each entry is separated by a comma. Note that Grainger and McMaster-Carr have multiple entries for their various company locations. After entering them, click on Save. You see that the cage codes are now listed in the cage code box. You can come back to this page anytime and update your list. Okay, now we have a list. Let's see how to use it. Now go back to the Search DIBBS page. On the Search DIBBS screen, select Easy Suppliers from the Supplier Cage Code Group dropdown. Then click on the red Apply Selections button. We see that on this day there are 11 solicitations for either Grainger, McMaster-Carr, or Uline parts. To be sure you can see the identified suppliers, click on Custom Setup for Reseller at the top of the screen to show the supplier list column. If you have used the Reseller tool to find other friendly suppliers, you should create another supplier cage code group called Friendly Suppliers and enter their cage codes in that group. Just like the Easy Supplier group, your Friendly Suppliers group will make it easy to find all the solicitations for friendly suppliers. Supplier cage code groups are fast and efficient and really cool.